more tropical than the Maui hike.
Ah!
Webs and face. Well, here we go. We're just walking to the waterfall. So this is what the island life is all about, eh? Swamps, lots of water and rain. Waterfall that way. I don't hear it yet. We're in the middle of an abandoned village. The stairs which led up to the fire station were right here. And the fire station is gone. The old house and the hut was right here. It too is abandoned. What the hell happened here? See, they have one of the best views in the world and they blew it. And there it is. There's the waterfall right there. You can hear the roaring of it. I don't know if this is even safe to walk on. Look at the way it was built. This is how a lot of the properties are built out here. They're just built with wood and whatever shit they can get their hands on. Ooh, that's not too sturdy. I am not stepping on that. That is gonna go straight through. We're running to the waterfall. Even though we've seen waterfalls before, we must see more. More waterfalls. Look how green this is. Now that is a view to be taken in. Whoa. Hey, hello. I'm in Palau Island right now, going to the waterfall. I would say this is a good time of the year to go when there's not one person around here, no one to intrude on your wonderful, quiet, still travels. No one to judge you, no one to look at you, no one to make eye contact, nor look. What am I saying? Yes, 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 let's go. Walking to the river, walking to the waterfall, speaking to myself, not near anybody but you. Did you hear that? I hear the waterfall. Waterfall! I can hear you. You can't hide from me. I don't think so. You're a large waterfall, aren't you? And you're like a big wet willy just pouring down. Do I just keep going? It's like a dead end, but there's a log up there. Maybe we can walk across it. Oh, all right, sandals are not a good idea. Plus there's shit here I'm tripping on. Might as well be barefoot. Fucking muddy. Oh, that was not a good idea. Okay, I guess we need shit. I'm going away from the waterfall. I'm just gonna go back. Oh, my feet are all muddy. What have I gotten myself into? I'm muddy yet. Oh, fuck. Oh, I can hang me now. Hang me now. Oh, fuck, my sandals. Yeah! We're going barefoot. Ugh, shit. What am I doing? Oh! Okay. This is better. And your feet now! Now! This is waterfall that way. So I guess we gotta go that way. Oh, my feet. We're moving, we're back! We're back in it. It's like a little poo. Shit. Oh, we're going in. Woo, woo. Oh, shit. I lost the sandal. That's deep. I don't even know how deep. If there's a depth level and shit. Okay. Alright, we got directions. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. My own private jacuzzi. Alright. Welcome to my crib. This is my jacuzzi in my backyard, in the middle of Palau. It's not bad, you know, but I mean, it has its downside. It's very wet. And there's not a lot of people around, you know. No, I guess no one wants to live in this beautiful, beautiful, luscious forest. So let me show you around. These are the water rafts right over here. Freaking pretty wicked, if you tell me. So that's pretty wild. We've got to go in the river. If we stay low, we should be all right. Then the current will push us. Let's also make it to the other side. Okay, that's freaking strong. I'm not going in that. That thing is swallowing you up. I've got to do this some way. Maybe if I strap myself down in a rope. So I'm off these. We're like in it. Practically in it. The currents are mad. It's pretty strong here. Woo! Yeah! What do we do, guys? Do we go in it? Do we just run in it? We're already practically in it. We might as well dive in. All right, we did it. Well, this is about as deep as it gets. This is my water park, guys. My all natural, all springs natural water park. It's called Waters Tundra. Germ Tundra. Alright, enough of that nonsense. Never made it to the waterfall. So, I just took a massive dagger back there, walking, just half piped me into the ground. But now we're halfway through the adventure. Now it's peace and quiet. Now we're done. The waterfall's over here, guys. There's another bridge over there. I gave you guys the waterfall! Wow! We made it! I lost to the waterfall! So powerful of a waterfall, it's blowing us away! Oh, shit. Oh, man. Shit's slippery. Damn. Second time. That is a wicked, wicked waterfall. Well, I didn't come here not to go in it. Go in at your own risk. We're doing it. Into the tundra. We made it to the waters. Woo, it's a little bit colder than the other water. We've got a lot of rain going on here today. And there's no sense of it slowing down. It's about 72 degrees and it's just blowing. It's something, I tell you guys. This is so serious. This is serious shit. The rock keeps going. They're monstrous. The wind's blowing us. We're going. It hits pretty hard. I made it into the waterfall! Woo! After everything! We're in it! The hurricane! We're in it! We're in the waterfall! Wow, man! Then once you conquer the waterfall, where do you go from here? Back in the water! Moving! Water shoes, you definitely need water shoes. Hello there! If you are ever in Palau, I would recommend visiting this waterfall. What do you do for a living? Oh, I yell underneath waterfalls. Yeah, that was wild. I don't know about the first time you've actually been able to swim in a waterfall, so I'm happy with that. You have a little jungle walk on the way back. And this is a short hike, guys. This is what, 25 minutes, half hour? It depends on how long you make it. I made stops inside of the rivers in order to get my $10 worth of the entry fee that it costs to get in here. Woohoo! $10! Whoa. Oh, I need to try Red Rooster beer. Apparently that's the beer of Palau. So we're gonna go see if we can find that now. At least you got a nice view when you're walking back. Beautiful waterfall out in the distance. The waterfall that rained before me. Smothered me with her wetness. This is Palau. Palau! 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 Mother Nature. Trying to rinse my feet off and it gets muddier anyways. Oh man. Look at this shit. Oh, this is beautiful. Driving through a small little like side village of the Palau. Everything's kind of like made of manufactured sort of material or just basic stuff. I mean, for the most part though, it seems like everyone's rather happy here. Everyone's been really friendly. What you doing, Jeremy? I'm just eating tuna and oil. You know. Eating tuna in the middle of a construction site. Just trying to find the next thing. I just kind of drive randomly until I find something that looks interesting, and then I stop and I'm like, well, this is pretty cool. I like this. And there's like no one out here. It's basically, it seems like a deserted island, even though there are people here, but if you stay away from the main town, there's no one around. And you're all alone on this island. The Red Rooster beer. A little wet out here.